Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be updating you guys on my current progress at NOLAIR. Yeah, after since I got the 3D printer, I've made some little progress on the NOLAIR drone development for public safety use cases. Yeah, so I printed a plate. This plate is for placing electronic components on the drone. During my first time with printing, I made some mistake on the print and setting the parameters on the Orca software, although I do use Reality as well. But on this print, I use the Orca slicer. While setting the parameter, I made a lot of mistakes because I'm not too familiar with it. I don't know much about printing, This is my first time print. So this was the result of the first print. Rough surface, a very rough surface, which is very bad. And the edges are not well properly equal. It's a bit heavy. It's heavy. I don't expect it to be more shaped like this. Although I'm using a PETG carbon fiber, it's weight, although and heavy. This is a 3 mm thickness. So I do some punches hole on it. I thought it's going to contribute in reducing the weight. Drone doesn't require much weight stuff. You have to minimize weight for more endurance, more flight time. Yeah. So on the CAD software. So we had to make the opening. You can see this opening, the bigger one. We add 3 more to the center. We added 3 more of this to the center. It helped to reduce the weight of the prints of the plate, and we could also reduce the thickness to 2 mm. So after that, we got a really nice result, and we set the parameters after research. We did a proper research for the Orca software in setting parameter to achieve a good result, and we set the parameters well, and the printer gave us a very nice result. And that result, we have already placed it on the drone, and the flight and some electronic components and harmonics component is already placed on top of the plate. And this is the camera we're going to be using, the Side 8 mini. Although this is not what we're going to be using it for now. This is not the main camera we tend to use. We tend to use the Size T30T. Although that is much pretty expensive for us for now, so we'll be managing this for now. This doesn't have much capability. The Size T30 have much capability, more resolution, and you can be able to do mapping, and you can be able to do a thermal inspection for gas line, power pipeline, and solar farm inspection, infrastructure inspection. Yeah, so we're going to be using this. We'll be integrating it to the drone and see how it works. Yeah, after that we'll be doing some tuning on the drone. Yeah, for more stable flights, more endurance of the drone. So this is the current progress on NOLAIR. So I will always keep you guys updated, like I said before, on the progress we're making at NOLAIR. The drone is not going to be left open like the electronic component is exposed to heat, sun, and rain. No, we're not going to be leaving the electronic components open. We're going to be doing a proper enclosing casing with PTG, carbon fiber for more weight and for it to be strong and to withstand sun, heat, and dust. So we do a proper casing for the electronics components, and also for the battery and the underhead sensors. Yeah. So that is it for now. That's the current progress I have made, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you if you have watched the video to this stage. Watch the video to drop a comment on the. If you have any question, drop a comment. Share the video.